welcome to my channel Flying Bees. Today we are making mutton pulao.
Oh, today you're making mutton pulao. Huh? Okay, so we have guys half kilo of mutton cleaned and ready. We have half kilo of rice. It's already soaked here. And we have got all these masalas. This is ginger garlic crust. Onions we have one full we have onions, yeah, yogurt. This is all the spices, mixed spices powder, chili, and these are all the whole spices. Okay, and we have ginger, garlic, and chili again here. Okay, now let's see how Eliora is going to prepare this mutton pulao.
Prepare it.
Okay.
Not going to put mutton.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, now open that this one. Yeah, it's opened like this. It's cut into two pieces, and we are going to add some onions. Yeah, enough. Next comes the whole spices.
This one so crunchy.
Yeah. Okay, put it. Okay.
We are going to put all the things.
Yeah.
So we have.
It's not crust. It's a whole of ginger just cut into pieces, and
We have two chilies.
yeah, two chilies. Put it.
I have to do it very carefully.
Yeah, don't.
Okay, this much is good.
Okay. Okay. Bit of turmeric powder. So, what? How many cups?
2 cups of water. Pour it down.
Okay, just mix it properly. Okay. Hold the handle.
Let it cook for 4 or 5 whistles.
The first whistle we have to keep in a high flame, and the rest 3 or 4 we'll just put in the medium. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, on the gas. Okay, now our mutton is ready. Okay. We have heated the pan here, and we have put add some oil here. Okay, now let's add some onions. Okay, add little more. Okay, enough. Keep it there. Okay, we are going to stir it properly. Now the color is changed here. Now we are going to just add these many items. These are the
Spices.
Ek minute. Show what is there in that. There is one cloves, one cinnamon stick, and some fragrant seeds.
And have this one.
That is a cloves. Okay, add it. Just give a gentle stir. Okay.
Now we're going to add some mutton.
Boiled mutton. Okay.
Oh, can I have the bone marrow?
Yeah. Okay. We're not going to add the water now. The water we will use it later. Okay. Just give a gentle fry, mix it properly. Okay. This is garlic, ginger garlic, crushed ginger garlic.
All of them.
Then we are going to add some crushed green chili, and this is coriander leaves. Okay. Bring it, friend. Good. Okay, now 2 to 3 minutes. You have to mix it properly in medium or high flame. Now we need to add the yogurt. Okay, add fast. Now we are going to add this all spices, grinded masala. Come add to the. Okay, there is no chili here, or I mean red chili. We are not using any red chili for this one. Only garam masala we call it as. So let's give a stir. Okay, now this is properly mixed. I think it's almost 2 minutes. Now we are going to add that broth. Okay, slowly. It's almost, I think, 2 cups here. Okay, keep it and let it boil for some time, and then we are going to add the rice. Here you can just check the salt. Put the salt, sugar. See, it's not too much salt because we have to add the rice, right?
That's right.
Okay.
Add the rice. After that,
We are going to add the rice. This is soaked rice. We have
soak water.
half kilo. Hold it. So what are we going to do now? We are going to gently mix it. Okay.
Like put the gravy on top.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure the salt is okay?
Yeah. Sure, bonjour.
Okay. Now it's already boiled. Let's bring the lid. Where's the lid?
Bringing the lid.
Close the lid. Okay. Very good. Keep it in the high flame for until it comes to boil. It's almost 5 minutes. Let's see. Okay, now it's almost dry. So still the little bit water is there. Now meanwhile, just we will fry the onions. Okay.
Okay. Now we are adding some ghee.
Ghee. Okay, to fry that. This, what is that? Onion.
Yes.
Okay, first cut.
So,
Come.
let's put it.
Okay.
Start.
Now it's already ready. Now we are using this tadka. We also call it as tadka, your favorite tadka. Okay. And after that, let it settle for 10-15 minutes. See, rice is already boiled here. It's almost everything is done. Very good. Yeah, it's in the fridge. Go and get it from the fridge. Okay, now our pulao is ready. It's time to taste. Okay, it's time to taste now our mutton pulao. Make sure it's cold. Okay, it's cold or hot?
Normal.
Did you like it? Did you like it?
Yeah, because I put the curd with it.
Okay. How's it?
But I want to try some mas.
Yeah.
Mas.
Okay, try that.
So I'll
Don't add yogurt for that. Just take only meat. Don't take this one.
okay.
Where is the piece? Yeah, it's there. No? Yeah. It's hot. Be careful.
Egg.
Like it?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay.
It reminds me of kapsa.
Is it?
Yeah.
The mutton kapsa which we bring every time.
Yeah.
Okay, right. Okay then guys, but please try this recipe, and if you like it, don't forget to share it, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel,
Please do.
do it now. So okay,
So if you like this video, please like, subscribe. Eat healthy, stay safe, live long. Bye.
bye bye.